Welcome back to Charleston New Homes Guide, Ride with the Guide. I'm Keely Burd, your local new construction expert. Today I'm with Pulte Homes at Webb in Point Hope. This fabulous new 55-plus community is located just off Clements Ferry. There is so much to offer here. Today we're going to tour their distinctive series of homes. There's 5 different floor plans to choose from, 2 models available to tour. There is so much versatility and flexibility within this series of homes. They range from 1,600 all the way up to 2,838 square feet. And the all-in pricing starts out at around $750,000. I cannot wait to show you what they have to offer in these 2 models. Let's get going. Welcome to the Prestige model in the Distinctive series. This floor plan starts at just under 2,000 square feet and goes all the way up to 2,838 square feet. I love the flexibility and versatility of this model, and you're going to see that inside. You can get it with anywhere from 2.5 to 3.5 baths, and it has some great options and upgrades available to you. Let's get inside and start our tour. Welcome to the Prestige floor plan. I love the entryway here. You get a nice separation, and we're coming immediately into the guest bedroom. So this is a truly flexible floor plan. I really love the tall ceilings. You're going to get 9 feet ceilings in all of the homes here in Webb. Check out this shared bath. We're seeing some really nice new selections here. Really like the square tile, and they're adding a lot of nice texture here to this tile in the shower, and you can see how it goes all the way up to the ceiling there. And here is the other guest room. So these are really nice and tucked away from the rest of the living and the primary bedroom area. The entry also conveniently leads to utility and garage areas. So we have a half bath here conveniently located away from any dining or living areas, and a really awesome laundry room. Check out these cabinets above the washer and dryer. Awesome utility sink here. And also we know that Pulte is bringing you a finished 2-car garage. So you get a nice finished product in your garage. So now we're in the heart of the home, and notice features like this tray ceiling with the shiplap, just how open this floor plan is. And then of course we are anchored here by this gourmet kitchen. Pulte really delivers on what people are looking for in modern spaces. Some of the standout features for me are these quartz countertops, that huge island. I really love how the backsplash goes all the way to the ceiling here. Of course, we have a hood vent, 42-inch cabinets with the uppers. Of course, we have stainless steel appliances here and a huge pantry. So you can put, standing mixers, all sorts of things in here. And that is one thing you are not short of, is storage. There is so much storage here in this floor plan. The ample-sized dining room is located just off the kitchen, has really great light from these transom windows, and the star is this tri-fold door here to the outdoor area. This is being showcased as a covered and screened lanai. But if you want some more room, you can kick this area out and get some extra square footage by adding a sunroom. You know that Webb is going to make the most of the low country weather here, and they are showcasing just what you can do. There's a little putting area over here. Really thoughtful location for the primary suite. So upon entrance, you're going to see right away one of my favorite features, which is one of 2 dual closets here. So you do not have to share if you don't want to. And this is a private water closet. We go right into this luxury bath, and they are introducing the super shower here. It really has every feature that you're looking for. It has tons of shower heads, the rain shower feature, transom window, the nook, and a little bench. They've brought the flooring into the closets, which is really wonderful. This is the second of the dual closets. And of course we have linen storage here, and standard in all the floor plans is going to be a dual vanity. They've done such a wonderful job with the selections in this. And this is such a peaceful place to, call home. This is a retreat, truly a sanctuary back here. Tray ceiling with the natural wood beams, and just really enjoying that view that you saw from the outdoor areas. Pulte knows how to give people the privacy and peace of mind that they're looking for. So this is how you get the house up to 2,838 square feet. This is a full bedroom showcased here in this 2nd story loft area, as well as a full bath. And there is so much storage in this house, guys. Storage really abounds. We have your mechanicals in this room here, and then a whole area for hangout, loft area, study room, really whatever your needs are. But this is a great way to maximize the space within that home and bring in some extra living and bedroom space if needed. Thank you so much for touring the Prestige model with me today in the Distinctive series here at Del Webb. There's 5 different floor plans within this series, and I think one of my favorite things about this model is its ability to flex, as you've seen was showcased with the second story here. Can't wait to show you more and what this series has to offer, so let's get on to the next model. Welcome to the Mystique model, part of the Distinctive series, one of 5 floor plans known for their flexibility. I love how you can take this from 1,800 all the way up to 3,000 square feet. You can do anywhere between 2 to 5 bedrooms. There's so many options in here. I cannot wait to show you what they did with this model. It's all one story, and they've done some wonderful selections. Let's get in and take a look. Pulte's unveiling some really fun architectural features on these new models, and I'm really liking the board and batten, and you saw those awesome dormer windows there above the garage. Really nice true entryway here. I like having a formal entrance. You could always add a credenza piece here, really welcoming people into the home, not just walking right into the living or dining spaces. A really convenient layout includes easy access to the finished 2-car garage here. And I'm really loving how they've done this laundry room area. So we've got the washer and dryer over here. Of course, we've got the upper cabinets, nice, awesome folding area with the utility sink. Your mechanicals are in that closet as well. And then over here to bedroom number 1. This is a really great space. You could even make this an office if you wanted to. Super private, tucked away from everything. And this is the shared full bathroom here. We've got a nice 5-panel door on all of these selections. I love how this floor plan has a dedicated space for an office or a library, really kind of whatever you want to do. And they went ahead and outfitted it here with, beautiful custom cabinetry. You can see an awesome light fixture was added, as well as the wood inlay there in that tray ceiling, really beautiful French doors. So such an awesome area if you need it for office. We can see really thoughtful layout when it comes to the living and dining spaces here in the Mystique. So this is not even the optional second story, and I love the square footage in here. They're giving you so much. Check out this kitchen, you guys. Oversized quartz island. We're doing mixed metals. I really like the selections and the finishes. Getting away from that stark, super white kitchen. We've got a lovely gray backsplash here. Some nice warm wooden cabinets. It's complementing the floor selection so nicely. And they're really giving dedication to the living and dining, So we have a formal living area here. Gorgeous gas fireplace. And we love that everybody can just kind of gather around these central cooking and eating areas. Tucked away in a private corner in the rear of the home is the primary suite. Really beautiful, luxurious touches like this tray wood inlaid ceiling here. They have a view of the communal pond, which is so fun, and it's really private, a nice sanctuary for any owners. I like how they're showing the combo of the tub and the shower. And it's not a small shower. It's really large, and it has the tile all the way up to the ceiling and a frameless glass door. We have a really nice oversized closet here. And of course, they're bringing the woods into the closets as well. A dedicated water closet as well as linen storage. And of course, it's going to be the standard dual vanities that Pulte is offering in every model here. The Mystique invites the outdoors in with basically wall-to-wall doors here. You get so much great light, and you get to, come and enjoy what we're known for, our gorgeous weather here. Everybody loves to come and hang out outside. You can see that they've really showcased what you can do with these homes. They went ahead and opted for the covered lanai area, which is a standard feature. And, they want you to go for it. You can put a kitchen, build the home of your dreams. That's what they want you to do here, is build a community and come retire in Del Webb fashion with tons of fun and friends around. And of course, these beautiful homes. Thank you so much for touring this Mystique model with me today. My favorite thing about this floor plan is that I think it's an entertainer's dream. I mean, there's really space for everybody. And this isn't even showcasing that second story. So if you wanted to get up to that 3,000 square feet, you could. Let's say you're downsizing from a huge home. This could offer a step down for you that could, really accommodate all your needs and not feel like you're trying to get into something too small. So I love this floor plan and all the different options. Come check out what it could do for you. On duty agents are here 7 days a week. Thanks so much for touring the two models in the Distinctive series with me at Point Hope today. There is so much to offer within this series, and if you have any other questions, the on-duty agents are available. You can pop in or set an appointment. They would love to take you on a tour of all the different models. We really appreciate y'all tuning in, and we'll see you on the next Ride with the Guide.